All right, so I bought this Pittsburgh 1,000-foot measuring wheel. Right now, this is on sale at Harbor Freight for $6.69. Pretty good deal on it. Regular price is about $10 on it. So I thought I'd pick it up because I wanted to measure my driveway. They have a bigger one as well. So we're going to unpackage this, and then we're going to measure and see how long my driveway actually is. Queen scissors, the best scissors there is for unpackaging this stuff. I actually got a separate review just on the scissors. I like it so much. These packages are pretty tough to open, and a razor blade can slip and cut yourself. All right, really nothing to that. Your counter. All right, let's go out to my driveway and measure this. This does unlock and extend. Like that. Okay, we're going to reset it. All right, let's try it out. Go to my edge of my door, go all the way down. My driveway is actually 870 feet long. It's a pain to plow when there is blizzards. All right, guys, thanks for watching.